fruit mandi and melons, watermelons are in abundance. Melon. This is the melon season. This is the fruit mandi. Wandering gentleman. Wandering gentleman. Oh, melons. This is the melon season. Look at the rush here. Look at the rush here. जनाब की फ्री बेच रहे हो? ओ हाजी साहब फ्रीज की बेच रहे हो?
खरबूजा जी।
खरबूजा फ्रीज कितना फ्रूट मिल सकता? एक फ्री मैं भी ले जाऊँ रेडी?
हाँ जी ले जाओ कोई
अच्छा ये देखें जी दिस इज मेलन सीजन. Everybody is buying the melon here. What is being sold here?
2.5 रोगड़ी कार 2.5
Apricots are being sold here.
2.6 और देखा है VIP कुर्बानी
A carton at
5.5 एक दी बोली होनी है ना 3.5 करने हैं 3.5 रोकड़ा है एक किलो के पैसे लो.
He thought that it is 550 for 3.
5.5 का इधर 5.5
Is the melon season and everybody is buying the melon. How much for this it is yet to be known, but it is a melon season. Melons are being sold here. See how much most of the people are buying the melon. Many because melons have arrived here in abundance, so that is the reason that it is the price of this full. How much for this? Bidding is yet to start, auction is yet to start, and then we will be able to know that how much of the money it fetches. This is the melon and watermelons in abundance. Melons and watermelons in abundance. 250 mean melons are being sold here, and it is the season of melons. It is the season of watermelons. Melons and watermelon in abundance. See that what is going on here. Lots and lots of melon, lot of watermelon, lot of watermelon, lot of melons. Look at the rush at melon. Melons are being sold here. All of these are traders. They have all of them. Melon everywhere else. Because it is a watermelon season. Melon season. 1500 for what? Mangoes are being sold here. You can see that the varieties of mangoes being sold here. It is 1250 for one packing, for one carton.
ठीक है घर खरीद है ठीक ठाक हो
अच्छा ठीक है.
12 13 14 15 16 17 18 1900 1900 रुपया
हाँ भाई 2000 रुपए दे
1900. This
2000
carton
bhai.
has been sold in 1900, 1900, approximately 2000. Look at this mango season had just started, and its production, its procurement will increase in the coming days. Look at how he sells.
16 17 17 18 18 साढ़े 18 18 19 19 दो उस्मान का दो नूर बादशाह का 19
1900, 1900 mean approximately 2000 for each. Approximately 2000 for each.
ये वाला
See, these are beautiful mangoes. Very good mangoes indeed. Very good mangoes indeed.
5 रुपए सैकड़े के
How
हिसाब
much
से
is this being? This
नहीं मैं क्यों आज ही 50 घाटा है अभी मेरे घटे होंगे
very cheap indeed. Just 300 rupees.
300 भैया
क्यों जी? It is very cheap, 300 rupees. Everybody can buy it, but it's not ripe yet. They are throwing it from their mouth. Unedible maybe. क्या हाल है? खैरियत है? ठीक ठाक है? खुशबाश है?